get started, you want to take one of your cords, you want to match the ends, and then run it through your fingers to find the centre, and you can tie a knot to create a loop. So you should have something like this, and then you can clip this to the top of your board. So you can take the tail ends here and clip these to the bottom of your board. And then you can take your next cord and you have to do the same thing again at the beginning and just match the ends and run them through your fingers to find the centre. And then you want to attach this cord to these cords, or I should say this cord that's been doubled over, by putting the loop part underneath. You want one side out at one side and one side out here. And then you want to start this off with a square knot. Remember to keep this bit pinched here just so it holds it right in the centre. And then complete your square knot. And then you can push this up to the top of your board. And then I'm going to do another square knot here. Once you've done that, you can release these cords from the bottom of the board. I'm going to thread this side through my first bead. And then working from the other side, so this is the tail end side here, and I want to work the other two cords at this side in the opposite direction through the bead. And once that's done, let's tighten this up. So you should have something that looks like this. And then I'm going to take the colours that I worked over last time. So the colours that did the square knot there. This time these are going to be the ones clipped to the board. And then I want to do another 2 square knots. You can do more than 2 if you want, or you could just do 1, but I'm going to do 2 each time I add a bead. And then once I've done that, unclip and again add a bead. So again, I'm going to add a bead with the cords running in this direction. So basically I'm going from left to right with these cords, and then the cords on the right are going to go from right to left. And then once those are through, you can just pull and tighten up to there. And then I want to take the cords that I just used to create the square knot and clip these to the bottom of the board. So it's essentially repeating what I did in step 1, and then taking the cords I worked over last time and doing a square knot. And you can keep repeating these 2 sections all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So each time you add a bead, you want to do your square knot with the colour that you didn't work the last time. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can tie a knot in the cords at the end. And then I'm going to separate the cords into 2 sections, so 2 lots of 2, and then tie a knot at the end there. And then I want to trim and seal the excess. And then do the same thing at the other side. And you should end up with something that looks like this. So you can take one of your tail ends and put it through the loop and then tie it to the other one to fasten your bracelet. And that is your completed bracelet.